EduNet Optimizer is an advanced network optimization tool that provides real-time insights, predictive analytics, and performance metrics. Its primary goal is to give educational institutions a reliable, optimized digital infrastructure, minimizing network downtimes and improving connectivity for everyone on campus. Understanding the problem. Educational institutions face numerous challenges when it comes to network management. Unreliable network performance, which disrupts both learning and administrative activities. Difficulty in managing bandwidth, traffic, and overall network performance at scale. A lack of proactive monitoring, leading to undetected issues and extended downtimes. This is where EduNet Optimizer comes in. By offering proactive network management, it bridges these gaps, ensuring a smoother experience for all users and enhancing the institution's overall efficiency. How does it work? EduNet Optimizer uses AI-powered features to monitor key metrics like bandwidth usage, latency, and packet loss in real time. With the help of predictive analytics, it can identify potential issues before they disrupt operations. The platform also provides actionable insights, allowing administrators to optimize resource allocation and improve performance. The solution comes with an intuitive, interactive dashboard that gives real-time updates on network status, as well as a learning assistant for IT admins to make data-driven decisions and provide policy recommendations. Key features. Some key features of EduNet Optimizer include an interactive network dashboard that gives real-time insights into network performance, an AI learning assistant that provides decision-making support for education departments, an AI tutor for students, offering personalized academic support with interactive voice text assistance, a network performance dashboard that alerts admins when any key metrics exceed their thresholds. The impact. The impact of EduNet Optimizer is felt across multiple stakeholders. For institutions, it minimizes network downtimes and enhances decision-making. For students, it ensures seamless access to e-learning resources, live classes, and learning materials. For IT administrators, it provides proactive issue detection and a user-friendly dashboard, making network management more efficient. Next steps. As we look to the future, we plan to continue refining the AI models and
Hi.
expand our features to
This
support
is the
remote
application
learning
I've
and
built
integration with
to
other
answer your
educational
queries
platforms.
using AI.
Our next
First, we'll
steps
ask
include launching
some
pilot
query like
programs with key institutions,
uh,
gathering
tell
feedback,
me
and continually
about
improving the
AI.
platform.
Okay,
In
then we can
conclusion,
select tone.
EduNet
It could be
Optimizer
professional,
empowers
friendly,
educational
whatever we like
institutions
to.
with the
We can
tools they
also
need
select
to
tech stack
create a
if
reliable
required,
digital
like Python,
infrastructure and ensure
style.
seamless learning
We
experiences.
would like it to be
Let's make
detailed,
education more efficient
and
and
like the also
accessible
like
by empowering
audience. We will be
institutions
like,
with EduNet
let's
Optimizer.
check it
Thank you.
as developers and send the query. Now it's generating the response. Here's our query. Here you guys see it has generated the response. The next thing I have did in is in dashboard. Here we can measure our network characteristics and attributes and its statistics. Here it tells the bandwidth, packet loss. As you can see, I have having some packet losses, so it's showing that red icon. Here it's measuring bandwidths. What's the bandwidth of my network? Here we can see the live measurement of latency, and this is the packet loss. Here's another chat interface where we can ask him about network related problems. Like, let's say, can you tell me about packet loss? Here's my query. It's here you can say Packet loss is a phenomenon where data packets are dropped or lost during transmission between two devices. Here it detailed me the complete guide, everything I need to know about the packet loss. This is the application I have built. Thanks for having a look on it.
Hello. Uh, Hello everyone. Today I am excited to present an innovative AI-powered application designed to education network dashboard. So there is my application, school network status, and there are many schools in my networks, and there is learning progress over time. So the purpose of application is integrate advanced AI technologies to enhance learning, provide real-time networks analysis, and offer personalized assistance to students and educators. Let me walk you through an app name. My app name is Education Network Dashboard. So EduNet Optimizer is my app name, and AI learning system. Learning system is purpose to provide a real-time personalized learning recommendation, instant answer to academic question, assistant with homework and assignment. The AI system adapts to each student learning style, making education more accessible and effective. And here is my next feature is my app is AI Tutor. AI Tutor works like a ChatGPT to answer my one by one queries, and I just try my app. Provide a presentation for my chemistry subject. He provides a presentation. It works like a chatbot. AI chatbot assistant to provide a student real-time updates. And my last feature of my app is network dashboard. To optimize the networks and bandwidth, network section is the backbone of the app. It provides a real-time analysis of network performance, including bandwidth over time, latency over time, packet loss over time, power loss, and here is my app update interval and text